love you so. Even though my odds are low, I'm not an actor, I'm not a star, and I don't even have my own car. But I'm hoping so much you'll stay, that you will love me anyway. The dirty games and the neon shows, this is the world he knows. Watching the stars satisfies my soul. Thinking of him makes me feel so cool. The fancy cars and